everybody, and welcome to the Sources of Strength YouTube channel at North Junior High. Today we are going to make some friendship bracelets. They look like this. Pretty cool. So today I'm going to use 4 colors. You can use as many as you want, really, or as least as you want. All you're going to need is some string, a pair of scissors, a safety pin, and tape. You may not need the safety pin, but it's just in case you mess up. Okay, so first we have to cut our strings to the right length. So I like to do an arm length and then a little bit longer, just for 4 strings. You need longer the more colors you have. Okay, so today, these are the colors I'm doing. And to tie it, you have to fold it in half. So we're going to put the ends together and then go to the folded end. Now we have the folded end and we're going to tie a knot. So we go through, then go under here, grab the string. Okay, now we're going to pull it through. And now we have a little loop at this end. Okay, now we're going to tape it to the desk or whatever you are using. You want to get it like right at the knot or just before the knot. And then rub it in really hard. Make sure it won't come undone. And now what you are going to want to do is separate it into colors. So I'm going to do purple first, then orange last, blue second, and then red will be the third color. Okay, so we have this separated into groups, and we're going to start tying. So to tie it, you do not need the ones to the right for right now. You just need these 2 strings. Have these 2. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to cross the left one over the right one. And then what I like to do is I like putting this string in my one hand, grabbing it with kind of these 2 fingers, actually these 2 fingers, my pinky and my ring finger, and then the other string with my other 2 fingers. And then your thumb and pointer finger on your right hand is going to go through this one or holding this string, and then your hand's just flipping. It flipped, and then you're going to grab this string and pull it through. And then you're grabbing both, and you want to just pull it in tight. And make sure you do it twice, so I do it once more, okay? So, this string is held with these ones, and this one with these. Then you are going to grab this one, then flipping your hand, and then you're grabbing this string, pulling it through, and then pulling it tight. Okay, now you know how. And now you are going to go on to the next string. So my next color is blue. Okay, I will show you the finished product in about a couple seconds. I finished the bracelet. It's not quite long enough, but it's good enough. That's what we're aiming for. And so this is just what it will look like after your finished product. So if you like it, just make one, follow the steps, and then you will have a cool bracelet. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to, you can subscribe. It's absolutely free, so why not? You can always unsubscribe later, and we will see you next time.